Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Vale. Depending on when you watch this, Vale could either be on a super sale or right now is a bargain and, it's bound to go up. Yes, I do have a position in Vale, and yes, I am bag holding Vale right now, but it's not a large position. I made like a small position in Vale, but I believe that Tesla really needs Vale, and I really feel like Vale is severely undervalued. They have a PE ratio of 4.04. They pay a dividend of $2.70, 21.23%. If we look at their financials, they make what 16 billion between 10 to 16.6 billion, with a net with EBITDA of 10 million, ranging between 2 million to 10 million. So it's kind of like all over the place. I guess the business is heavily reliant on the price of metals, and price of metals will affect the business. But still, this company's extremely profitable. They they make decent amount of revenue, but most important, they're profitable, and they pay a lot of dividends to their shareholders. If we look at the dividends, right? Like last quarter, they paid $1.59. So if you had 1,000 shares, they paid you $1,559 for owning 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares is like $14,000. That's pretty good return on investment, I think. I don't know, it's up to you. It's a nice dividend, but the stock price is on a downtrend right now. I bought a little bit because I thought that, with Tesla going up to over $1,000, I thought, this company could follow, because Tesla does need this company. This company is very important to Tesla because of its nickel. So right now it has a market cap of 63 billion. It has a total outstanding share of 5 billion. So retail investors cannot move the stock. It costs $5 billion to move this stock $1. So don't expect to be like, I'm gonna buy a ton of this stock and this stock's gonna move up. No, just be patient. Buy a little bit when you see it go down a lot, and hope that it bounces back, or just kind of dollar cost average, because in theory, this stock could go all the way down to $7 and then be a really good return on investment, especially if it can go back to $22. But there was a time when this stock went all the way down to $2.27. That would have been a nice return on investment, because it went all the way back to $12. That would have been a 5x return on investment. And so it's possible for the price to go down that low, absolutely. Because if we look at iron ore, right, around 2015, iron ore went all the way down to $40 per ore, and Vale, it's the same time, 2016, 2015, the stock went all the way down to $2.60. But when the price of the ore bounced back, Vale stock bounced back a little bit with it. So that's how kind of works. Right now, the market's unsure what iron ore is going to do. If iron ore skyrockets back to $200, I think Vale will skyrocket with it. But why I think it's important is because of this. The biggest nickel producer in the world is Vale. Vale is one of the biggest nickel producers in the world. Production in 1,000-ton metric. Vale. So, and what does Elon Musk need? Nickel. So, and the fact that Elon Musk and a bunch of electric cars are going to be made in 2022, Vale is going minerals. The nickel is going to be in high demand, and they're going to be able to charge a premium for the nickel. And if iron ore also skyrockets in that time, nickel will be worth a lot of money. I mean, Vale could, make you a lot of money, especially if this thing can go down to $7, or even better, $2. I don't think that'll happen. I mean, if it went down to $2, Tesla should go out in and try to buy this company out. Like, seriously. Just saying, Anyways, that's all for the video. I don't really have too much to say. I think that this is a good play. I think this is extremely undervalued. But the thing is, even if I think it's undervalued, sometimes stocks can go down lower. I thought Voyager Digital, this is kind of off topic, but I thought when Voyager, I just quickly looked at Voyager, Voyager when it was down here, I thought it was extreme. I thought it was undervalued down here, but the market, until the news of Mark Cuban came out, the market didn't care and plummeted the stock price. And now the stock is on an uptrend. Will it continue? It's up to big money. I think it should. But it could also plummet back down to $12, which would make it a buying opportunity. Just saying, not financial advice. But that's my opinion. If this thing somehow in the short term goes back to $12, $11, call it a blessing. And buy more. But hey, not financial advice, just my opinion. I'm definitely will buy more if it goes back down to those prices again. Always a possibility in the market. Always a possibility. Anyways, I don't really have too much to say, but Tesla is I kind of want to make this like a 8-minute video. Tesla right now, $1,114. I think this thing is going to go to $1,200, and it's probably gonna, it could just keep going higher and higher and higher. And then next earnings just keep going higher and higher and just never, ever crash. Like, look at it. It's way overbought right now, but the market doesn't care. I think it should pull back and crash and consolidate. And then next earnings, when Elon Musk delivers another home run, the stock will go for another run. That's what I think it should do, but who really knows what the market's going to do at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to future updates if you want to, and have a great day. Bye.